This recipe is my secret into turning my backyard into an oasis on summer nights. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist for Simply Earth, and I love teaching you how to turn your essential oils into products that you can use in your home every day. In this video, we're gonna use floating wicks, which will burn using oil scented with essential oils. This recipe is fast and super easy to make, and also super easy to customize. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. Let's get started with this volcano floating wick recipe from Simply Earth. Before I tell you what you'll need, I want to let you know that we here at Simply Earth are obsessed with teaching you how to use your essential oils to make natural products. This recipe comes from the Simply Earth DIY candle box. Along with this floating wick candle recipe, you can make 5 more all-natural candle recipes when you get this box. When you subscribe to our DIY recipe box, you'll get the key ingredients that you'll need to make this recipe and more delivered right to your door. We'll also throw in a big bonus box when you subscribe. You can also find all the ingredients you'll need for this recipe on simplyearth.com. From our recipe box, we're gonna use our lava essential oil blend along with our floating wicks. From our big bonus box, we're gonna use our fractionated coconut oil. From your home, you're gonna need a jar like this or similar. I'm using some fake pearls that I got at a local craft store. You could use fake flowers, rocks, anything that you want to put in the bottom for decoration. Or if you don't want a decoration, you can just leave it open. Last but not least, you're gonna need some water from your home. Let's get started. First things first, we're gonna get our wicks assembled. So you are going to push your wick through the middle hole, like so, until about 1/3 of it is sticking out. Just like that. All right, in a small container, we are gonna add 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil. And to our fractionated coconut oil, we're gonna add 15 drops of lava. Now that our fractionated coconut oil and our essential oils are in the same jar, we are just gonna give that a little stir, and that is ready to go. I'm gonna fill this with water until there's about 1/4 inch of space left in the top so that I have room for my oil and my wicks. Now that our water mixture is ready, we're gonna pour our oil mixture into our water mixture. The oil should go to the top of the water, like so. Now we're gonna place our wicks into the top part of the jar. You can use all 3 wicks if you want it once or just one. I'm just gonna use one for this time, like so. It'll float on the top. All right, now that everything is assembled, we can light it. Ta-da! And we have our own floating candle. Smells amazing. If you want the candle to burn longer, you will just add more oil to the top. To do this, you'll push the wick over to the side and then just add the oil to the top. One thing I will say about the decorations to make sure that this candle is safe for you is you'll want to make sure that the decorations are at the bottom of the vase, not that they're floating to the top and could potentially cause a fire. Make sure that the candle is within eyesight so that you can see that it's burning or not burning. Another safety concern would be to make sure that you are keeping the candle away from kids as well as pets. These wicks do burn for a long time. Once the wick goes out, you can push the bottom part of the wick through the hole, and then you will be able to relight it and enjoy your candle longer. I absolutely love to see all of your creations on social media. Go ahead and take a picture of your creation and tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that I can see all your lovely creations too. You will automatically be entered into a hashtag I made this, and you could win a $5 gift card that you can use on our website. Make sure to give this video a like and follow us for more natural recipes just like this one.